Africa Content TV.
The future, ọjọ́ iwájú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ọjọ́ iwájú àwọn ọba, because tí ọba ti get it right, Nigeria cannot get it right, and we need Nigeria to get it right, so that the black nation, there is no black nation without Nigeria. If Nigeria is not looking, the whole black race can never grow. We are white Nigerians. We took number one. America is the most populated white nation, and that's why they are here. Our population is to our advantage. We can forge together. In terms of every ọba sínú kíni nínú ìjọba yìí. Láyé àtijọ́ ẹ bá déwájú dámẹ́rin ẹ̀rí kò tí mo wà láyé western region when Nigeria was only western and northern. Ẹ̀rí kò tí mo wà bẹ́ẹ̀ mo wà kó kẹ̀kẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ mínísítà ní olú and I am minister to the western region. Yes, Ọba Akanbi was the minister of economic planning. Wọ́n ò wá fi ọba sínú gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì àwọn olóṣèlú sí wọn ò lókun. If you don't have a check and balances, there must be a way of checks and balances. Ọmọ tá a mọ̀ pé yóò ṣe dáadáa sínú ọ̀pẹ láàyè ní moving. Taking money to help improving to change the face of how we do things. He thinks that this is insane. What is going on? And he wants to change things. I make effort to. If I want to, if it's about money, I will stay in Canada. I'm a Canadian. I have my dual nationality. I'm a passport. And I can stay in Canada and not come here. But I decided to come here because I want a better nation for the black race, not only Nigeria. Because if Nigeria is black, the black race is better. And that's why, do you know what I did? I punished myself. To make a what? To make a difference. And why did I punish myself? I said, you know what? I will stand out. If we want, we have three types of government. Monarchical government, military government, and then the politics is through the politicians of the world. We can only choose one of the three. Military we don't want that. That has failed. Okay, now the politicians who have no checks and balances. They have sent most of our children to another slavery. Forced slavery. People are now, this is not about they want to sell it. People are now running away. So we better go back now and say we should include our traditional rulers. So I see a great trend. And that dream is for kings to do it right now. Check themselves. Balance the equation. Let Nigeria see them as good leaders, good kings, and then our people, our subjects, our wards. Then they will say, you know what? Let's include all these traditional rulers in the scheme of things because we are responsible. We are closer to the grassroots than anyone. Then we can all do it together. There will be checks and balances. If a king is caught one, never move for the white like guidelines in our way over to the back, they go back. fẹ́ jáde ẹlẹ́kó bẹ́ẹ̀. So kí ni mo ṣe for the past 7 years? I didn't take nothing from my people. Take nothing. It's not easy to do. And I've never taken a dime. So to be an example, let's the future of kinship in Nigeria must be kinship that we see with honesty, trust, and dependability. People can depend. And that's when they will fall back to us. And because there are many people that won't like to go into politics. And when they don't like to go into politics, who will be the helper of the elders? And this is what this book is all about, that we should prepare a future where we see kings and politics going together. Let's grow our own democracy. We must grow our own democracy. This democracy of the thing we took from the White Man is not our own kind of democracy. Everybody grows their democracy. Thailand grows its democracy. You see the kind of democracy we use in Thailand. It's through the king. There are many other places. China, they have their own democracy. Many people have their own democracy. Our own democracy has never changed since we took it from them. Even the father of democracy today is using monarchy, the United Kingdom. They are in this kingdom. So there's a lot to learn from this book, and that's why I brought it out. I haven't spoken today. You are the one, we only party, launching the book and everything. And you are the one to actually do it for me. Thank you very much for listening. Your precious time. I want to thank everybody that came to work with. People who want Abuja City also came from Abuja, rushing down. It's a little bit came from Niger, and LMA Apollo True came all the way from Port Harcourt. There are many who came from Canada, my friends from Canada, friends from America, everybody. Honorable Shina Bella, by the grace of God, I was calling him the senator. Because why am I saying he meant well? He is a man that meant well. He is a man that wants change, better change. He is a man that doesn't want us to be enslaved. And thank you for coming. Mr. White, Aholu of Kwebe. Thank you, Kwebe. Thank you very much for coming. Appreciate you. Mama, I know you was just talking about Mama, you be very disturbed. When you be very disturbed, you just talk for you, Mama. I so much love her. She loved me so much. These are Mama that see the future. And that's why our children are great. Nobody, and that's why she married a great man. No magician in the history of Africa has ever attained what Professor Adewale. He's a great man, and he always is great. He's a boss. Family is great. It's a form of great entertainment, and nobody has ever been able to do that since Baba is there in the physical, and I know it's because of it. And that's why he stayed down with me. And I love you so much with your twin sister, which is your friend.